In memory of Marilyn Gregory, one of my greatest supporters. Today was the annual Wellington County Animal Olympics at the Rockwood Conservation Area. Animals from many counties came to cheer for their event. The fish swam the 100-meter splash. The dogs competed in the dog paddle. The frogs competed in the long jump. The most anticipated event was the tree chewing contest between two beavers, Bucky and Bart. A large crowd gathered as the contestants were announced. The crowd hushed as the announcer introduced the contestants. The announcer boomed, "Introducing Bart Beaver, undefeated champion for the last 5 years." The announcer boomed again, "Introducing Bucky Beaver, the fastest dam builder on the Aramosa River." The crowd cheered. The announcer yelled above the noisy crowd, "Ready, set, chew." Bart did not try his best. He was so sure he would win. Bart heard the crowd chant, "Bucky, Bucky." Bart realized he was losing. Bart felt a bolt of fear run through him. If he did not catch up, he would lose. Bart chewed more quickly, but he was not quick enough. Bucky's tree fell to the ground with a loud thud. The crowd rushed to congratulate Bucky. Bucky was placed on the backs of 2 deer, and he was carried through the conservation area in victory. Bart lost. He was stunned, and he slunk quietly away in disbelief. He glided silently into the water without a tail slap, stomped into his lodge, and he refused to come out for days. Bart's wife had enough of Bart's moping. Bart was not a good loser, and she tried to soothe his bruised ego. "No one is a loser who tries their best," she said comfortingly. "I did not try my best. I didn't even try. I was so sure I would win. I thought no beaver could beat me. I am so mad at myself," Bart moaned. He went into a corner and sulked. "There is only one way to fix this situation," Bart's wife thought. So she FaceTimed Bucky Beaver to ask for a rematch. Bucky was more than happy to have the rematch. It would prove he was still champion, no matter how hard Bart tried or didn't try. Word got out about the rematch, and the crowd quickly gathered. Could Bart regain his title? The crowd tingled with anticipation. "Ready, set, chew," Mrs. Beaver yelled above the crowd. No one said a word. The crowd was hushed in awe at the speed and endurance of the two competitors. The crowd gasped in disbelief as the match ended with one big thud as both beavers felled their trees at the same time. It was a tie. There was no clear winner. No one in the crowd knew what to do, but Bart and Bucky did. The two beavers raised their hands together in victory. Together, Bart and Bucky would be known as two of the best tree chewers in Wellington County. Neither minded sharing the title. Bart tried his best, and so did Bucky. No one who tries their best is a loser. A loser is someone who doesn't try at all. The end. Story by Heather Gregory. Pictures by Heather Gregory with the help of clip art. Bugler's Dream Olympic Fanfare by John Williams.